Hey folks, congrats on picking up the best value pellet grill on the market. I got 3 things to go through to make sure you have success in the long run with your new Green Mountain pellet grill. First thing we got to do is get power to the unit. Got a very long cord here, plugs into the back. That runs to the AC/DC power adapter here. This plugs right into your wall. If you want to run off the battery, use this right here. All right, we've got power to the unit. When you plug it in, you'll hear that. Don't be alarmed, it's just the low pellet alarm. We're going to fill that up and take care of that right now. All right, once you've got the hopper full of pellets, take this little baggie of pellets you received, open it up and pour it directly into the firebox. Now it's time to prime the grill. We start off by pushing the red button. The unit is going to display 0. When the display reads 1, unplug the unit from the back, plug it back in, and push the red button. What we're doing is we're just filling the auger, making sure you have pellets in the grill. You never have to do this again. So next time you're ready to cook, you just push the power button. So when the unit says 0, it's feeding pellets through the auger into the firebox. When it displays 1, the firebox is starting to heat up. Numbers 2 and 3, the fans are kicking on, starting to really heat up the unit. After that, you're going to start to see a temperature display here. Let that hit 150. At 150, you can then change it to any temperature you like. Now, when you're finished cooking, all you have to do is push the red button again. That's going to put it into fan mode. It's going to make sure the fire's out, and it's going to make sure all the ashes are out of the firebox. Then, you're ready to cook the next time. All right, first of all, the heat shield. Check out the V on the bottom. Now that helps distribute heat evenly throughout the body of the grill. Next comes the grease tray. Nice little handy hole there for your finger. Half moon on the right. This is going to take all the grease from left to right. And just make sure there's a small gap between the thermal sensor and the grease tray. Okay, as I said, airflow is key, so make sure all 4 of these are taken care of. First of all, make sure that your trap door for the HVAC system is closed. Number 2, chimney, got to be open. Number 3, the hopper door needs to be closed and locked. And finally, make sure that your pellet dump door is on and closed. Maintenance. Now, every 3 or 4 bags that you burn, you want to take out the guts and vacuum the bottom of the inside of the grill. Second thing I want to talk about is a health check, how to make sure every component on your new Green Mountain grill is working properly, and it's very simple. The first thing you want to do is press the red button. Let go, then quickly press it again and hold until you see a temperature on the readout. Now, if everything's working properly, and it should be, you hear the auger moving. It's working properly. The fan kicks on, you know it's working properly, and you see an ambient temperature displayed, which means that the thermal sensor's working. Finally, we want to make sure the igniter's working. So unplug the unit, plug it back in again, push the start button. Once the display hits 1, you'll be able to put your hand, hover it over that burn pot, and you'll feel that heat pretty quick. Don't touch it because it gets hot really fast. Now let's talk about your grill's temperature. Just so you know, the temperature displayed here gives you an average of the temperature inside the grill. So if the temperature readout here is different than what you're getting inside the unit, just move the heat shield left or right to dial in your perfect temperature. Folks, congratulations again on buying the best pellet grill in the known universe. If you have further questions or need some more support, find us on our social platforms, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.